Right. Oh. Wow. First #1 fan. Adam and Brandon. You right, Stuart? Right, let's look at this then. Weird. Adam, I did say I'd go to the upside, didn't I? Let's go, gang. You right, Jack? You right, Chris? You right, Simon? How are we all? Let's nice little up things the upside there. Yeah, weekend. Stuart, my weekend was good. Just a chill one, really. Just yeah, didn't really do much. Just chilled on the weekend. Evening, DB. Let's actually zoom out of this. Anyone shorting this? Something like this, maybe. Break out of there. Looks kind of not great, really. See if we respect this on the 1 hour. I'm off to make food. I'll be back. Alright, Adam. Have nice food, man. My goat. Right. I don't like that open at all, really. Just a bit mid, innit? At least we got our impulse move now. 4. Our strat. Let's see if it. See what happens. We'll probably wait for a top to be formed. But yeah, let me know how everyone's weekend was. Don't really know what to do for this live, to be fair, because opening up off that with news, even though the deals in Iran and US haven't really done much, just kind of a bit like, really, in my opinion. I think tonight might be a stay out of it, to be fair. We'll have a look. But yeah, we'll have a look at certain things, but I don't know. It doesn't look great, really, especially with this outside the trend line now. You right, LSS? You right, Clint? How's everyone? Everyone good? So, what's this look like? 5462 sell. Wait, what? 5462? You good, bro? 5462. This guy thinks we're going all-time high. It's cold, Brandon, my educator. You right, Slot? 5462. This guy. Do you write the untapped daily pivot on manually, or is it from I write it on manually. Slot. 4562. 4562. G. Let's have a look. 4.562. We're literally pretty much there, bro. Oh, I know what it's gonna be. Yeah, of course it is. Around here, Brandon, yeah? You're at XR? Hi. Would have been watching your Thursday live. Hi, Lady H. You okay? How was your weekend? I hope it was good. This looks interesting, Brandon. Very interesting. Let's turn you off and turn this one on. Ooh, it's a 4 hour there. Apart from that, it's a bit. Eee. Unless we see someone else in there. Nah, just a 4 hour, yeah. It's a POI, I'll be real, it's a POI. Thought the PA looked weird. Lady, I did that on Max's live the other day. To be fair, the way they're put together, like on the YouTube, I can see how it counteracts, you know. But if anyone has any questions or anything, just let me know in the chat and I'll go through it. But if not, I'll just mark up some stuff. I mean, Brandon, I do like this actually, this level, because we didn't quite reach it there, so we could take this volume here and then come down. So I don't mind it. It's more of like unknown area here, isn't it? We'll watch it. Why not? We'll watch it and then just put it there to just for a POI, because we might get that, we might not. We mogged on RS6. You're right there, Adam. Could you explain how you find the untapped daily pivot slot? Every day I mark up the daily pivot, and if it's untapped, that's when I leave it on my chart. For example, the one up here. Literally, I'll so for example today, right? All I'll do is I'll grab Craig's indicator, even though I don't know why it's not working. But for example, the pivot was down here somewhere. I'll just mark it up on my chart, and then just leave it there. If it's untapped, leave it there with a note on it, like up here. So that's literally, I don't like find it. It's just there on the indicator, and then I just write it down if we don't tap. That's all. Don't know why Craig's indicator's not working. Just delete that, I guess. Get out. Right, what's in here then? Nothing. We'll have a look. Go on the 1 hour. Wait for this to load. Literally nothing's in it. No way. Mad. Well, that's a L zone then, I guess. Do you just keep one previous daily pivot or multiple that is untapped? Multiple that's untapped, mate. Honestly, it doesn't hurt to put stuff on a chart and just leave it there. Especially like untapped pivot, that could be somewhere where we're really looking for a reaction. So yeah, that's literally it. Rainbow 6 might be. Bit of rainbow after this, boys. Adam or Brandon, what are you saying? Calm down. Adam, we're approaching your sell zone, by the way. Should we look at PMC? We'll have a look. See if this is worth getting in. Yeah, gee. That ain't a bit of me. What is... You know what, though? It's not awful. Let's have a look on the 3 minute. Yeah. There is no way I'm entering this sell, Brandon. In my life. I want to see it happen, though, if it does. Right, let's get you off my screen. Mark up some levels. Off this open, I don't really want to take a trade, really. It's just a bit mid. That looks alright. That's a fib extension as well from here. That's quite nice, actually. Quite like that one. Yeah, that's actually well nice. Let's see what's in this. Put you there. and you want like this. What's in here? Previous weekly and previous daily. That's a nice zone. Now we're talking. You previous weekly and previous daily. Previous weekly, previous daily. Let's do like gap between them. Actually, we should probably just do this, shouldn't we? Makes more sense. What's it called? GP plus. Actually, no, we'll just. Oh, I should have done pluses the whole way. What am I doing? Previous daily plus GP plus extension GP2. That's pretty nice. Bit of that in there. Pull that down so people can see that. At that pivot, I like the previous support there. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it, Adam? I just don't know if we'll get out there, to be honest, mate. Literally just an order block plus A86. Yeah, I don't like that. I got that, I think, this guy trolling. Is it optimal? This guy. Anything else in this? Previous high, maybe? That's probably copium. Oh, previous lows over here, though. I mean, it would be a value area high, so let's pull this quickly. Previous value area high, like this. Yep, cool. That's confluence for me. Previous value area high. Happy with that. Not really previous highs, but we'll go with previous value area low. Cool. That's a nice zone. Let's get this. Actually, now. Oh no, I probably might up on it. Let's get this on my face now. More looking at. Well, to be fair, Brandon, that A86 looks more and more appealing now. It's right on the value area high. Where's this? Because what we could be looking at. Ooh, I don't know, Brandon. I kind of like that as well. The 4573. And there's a VWAP close there. Nice zone, Dub J. I'm full port in, mate. Brandon, come on. Yeah, Adam, this zone's nice. It's such a small SL. What is this one, Brandon? Up here? No, it's not. It's quite big now. What do you mean? That SL's calm. What? Just chuck it in like this. Go on, take it. Don't be that guy, man. Look, that SL's calm. Got TPO in that, yeah. Wait, Brandon, actually, does it? Let's zoom back out, actually. And there is a level here. Previous daily high. Oh, this A6 looks so much nicer because we could take the previous daily high, take the VWAP close, and tag. Ooh, I'm putting this level on as well. You there. .886 plus value area high. This is a nice. I like this A86. If we get up there, we may be cooking. Let's get rid of that, and then let's turn this off. Actually, no, we'll keep it on because I want to find a nice little buy zone in here. Let's do like a. Well, we haven't took this high yet, so I'm guessing we're gonna have to do that like this. But if we take, hopefully we don't take that high, so we can have a nice buy zone down here, like that. We've already wicked that. This looks alright. Previous daily 4 hour. Didn't we have this, Brandon? I think we did. I think we had like this zone here. I don't mind it. It's alright. That'd be 0.786 plus. Oh wait, I should have probably wrote the coordinates first. U plus U plus, what is that? Everything's in there. Previous daily open plus daily plus 4 hour plus. I think there's an 886 in there as well, just off using my eyes. 1 sec. Use the same high. 886 as well, happy with that. Yeah, sound. Get that as well in there. Cool. That's a nice buy zone. There is a level at 4556. 4556.06, which has been tapped. Order block plus VFP plus slash POC plus TPO slash POC slash val. Already round 1R. 2R right now. Well, we're gatekeeping on the live then. Chart is looking like the Matrix. My eyes. Sorry, I'll turn it off. I just need it to look at key levels. There you go. That's nice, isn't it? Did I not write anything for this? This was 0.886 plus 4 hour. Don't really like that. Actually, I should just draw a line on it, shouldn't I? Should have done that. Let me get it. Let me grab that quick. Right there. You like that. What's in this level? 4 hour sound. Cool. Right, that's pretty much all I've got really, I'm not gonna lie. Everything else is, I'm just more looking like these up here. If we break these, definitely this is nice, but apart from that, could probably go down and look at that is crazy. Let's have a look on here, get this off. It's such a small SL. Show VMC. Why do you want VMC at then? There you go. That's what VMC looks like. Chart is looking like the Matrix. It's alright, it's a lot. I've changed it now. Hi Jason, you alright? How was your weekend? You alright, Chris? How was your weekend? Thinking about doing a no B week this week. Random, why not, innit? Like, that's how we signalled if we did a no B on that. Would have been sound. Would have around like 7R or something, so would have been alright. That would be a nice target like that. Let's have a look. Nice, Jason. Nice. Hey Jay, how are you? I'm good, Elwin. What about yourself? Yeah, I had a good one, Jason. It was just a chill one, really. Like, watched Arsenal lift the trophy. That's all. Just chilled. You alright, Daniel? Evening. Yeah, guys, this live's just gonna be a bit like, it's kind of just a bit mid, isn't it? Because we've kind of got nothing really happening in Asia. We don't really have our bias determined for the week. We're kind of just after that news with like the US and Iran kind of making a deal. It's kind of pushed us up, but we're still bearish. The dollar's still bullish. We're still bearish on gold. It's just see what happens, really. That's kind of my outlook right now for this. I mean, bank holidays aren't really the greatest either to trade, so we'll have to see. But yeah, if anyone needs anything explaining, if anyone's got any questions, let me know. If not, I'll probably just wait. This is the only setup I'm looking for, but that's just my daily open strat. We'll have to see what happens when we come down to it. But yeah, I mean, this looks actually nice for our 886. Sell. Let's see if we get another momentum down here, but let's actually turn this, get this off my screen. From Vu Manchu, I don't think that 886, our first one up here, is going to be it. I'm not going to lie, I think this one. Let me... Where would stop loss be for the... Ooh. It would be off here, wouldn't it? It would be this high. Ooh, that's a wide stop, you know. I'm not a fan of that. Hang on. Scroll down here. Surely we didn't pull that from the high to the low like that. The stop's that wide, really? Not a big fan of how wide that stop is, you know. Not a big fan at all. But if we catch the whole move down, it's not really that wide, is it? Just saying. Right, let's just wait for this. If we get for this 886 one, it will be quite nice. But daily open strat is OP. Owen, if you're on the you were on the live, weren't you? When we called that 30R, that was OP. Hope it comes down. Take my first daily open strat trade. Adam, now you're here and you've said that, it'll probably go wrong. How much did it finally run on Friday? Owen, should we look? So I don't actually know how much it ran. Let me. Where was it? Where did we get in? It was here, wasn't it? This was daily open, yeah. So let's go here. Zoom out so we can find it like this, because then. Oh. Come on. Up here, I think. That was here, right. We'll have a look. So, whereabouts were you? About here. So we came down like this. So we pulled this like this. Target that. So then we had our short here. Alright, that's big. That's a big short. Jesus. Like this. Right. Let's. Oh god. This is gonna be. It's gonna be something. Oh, it's gonna be something. Did it go any lower than that? Oh, it did. Oh my god, it did. Wait. Oh, there's no way it went lower than that. That's mental. Was that the lowest it went? Hang on. Right. So that's the lowest it went. Oh, 6. Oh my god. Please. Oh my god. Adam, if Brandon's in here, 6-7. So yeah, that ran 67R, and that's not even a pun. That it just did. That's mental. There's actually no way that's 6-7R. Oh, that's good. I love the way life works. It's brilliant. That is so funny. Oh man, that's good. I'm happy about that. 6-7R. I'm very grateful. That's good. That is really good. That entry too, yeah. 67R, crazy. I'm annoyed that I didn't get tagged in by spreads. Bro, if I took that, I was risking 2k on my live, yeah. So what, if I held that the whole position, that's like 67R. So 2 times 60 is what, 120? Bro, that would have been like 130k. Game's gone. And you couldn't really have like taken half off at 1R, because literally one candle did about 7R. So, bro, I would have just held it. I would have just held it the whole time. I would have just went to sleep, bro. Because imagine I woke up and it was about 40R. So, bro, I would have woke up, yeah, to about 80 grand. Oh, game's gone, man. The game is gone. Brandon White, imagine if you took that, yeah, bro. He would have risked 4. No, he did take it. Adam, he did take it. He only risked like, I don't know. He had a wider stop than I suggested. But yeah, he took it. I don't think he risked that much though, because he was up like 6R and he was up 3 grand. So I think he only risked like 500 quid on it. And no, he didn't hold. Bro bottled it. Game's gone. I don't know. I kind of like this. I'm not gonna lie. We could see a kind of bear flag, no, bear flag, bull flag forming here. We'll have a look. Wait for a breakout of here, see if we can target. I'd want to target this really, but we'll have a look, see if we can catch a little bull flag, you know what I'm saying? Little bull flag. Took it on 100k, targeted 3k, 1k risk. Brandon, if you took that on your live, yeah, risking 4k and it ran 67R, brother, you would have made so much money. 4 times 6, yeah. 6, 12, 18, 24. You would have made 240 grand if you held. You didn't believe in me. Poor guy. Adam, you might get a live J trade. Just like chill, man. I want this. I want down here, but we won't get down there, I don't think. I think we'll bull flag here and then to the upside. 250,000. Yeah, exactly. What time are you live? What do you mean, Brandon? I'm live right now. You spaz. That impulse move kind of nuts. I don't know, bro. It's not really, because I told you, didn't I? We'll probably go to the upside off that news, because they said Iran's kind of making a deal. They won't. It'll go back on it. But yeah, he'll go back on it, and then they will sell off. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Brandon, this is live, pal. This ain't a video. You know, this guy, man. Look for something like this, maybe a breakout and retest of the trend line, and then go. But if there is, you'll see me take it. But yeah. Let's go on here as well. Oh, these wicks to the upside on 3 minutes, not awful. Cheers for ruining it, Adam. Bet you're fun at parties. Oh, this guy. Kind of, yeah, this actually looks nice as a bull flag now. Quite like that. Let's go on you as well. Adam, we know you don't like being social, mate. Right, let's zoom you in like this. Draw some trend lines on you. Oh, we could see something here. If we close out this. Whoa. Are we risking it for a biscuit? Where's my stop loss gone? This guy. 4, 5, 11 stop loss. Are you mental? 4, 5, 4, 8. Yeah, there you go. Alright, 4, 4, 8, 4, 9. There you go, something like that. Go like a 2. Look at it, like that. Wait for the retest of this. I'll have a look. Take profit will be that. Oh, she's off. She's off to the races. How far away is my take profit? What are we doing here? Here we go. Such a late entry, Brev. Come back down and tag me in. If I set a limit, let me. Why is my stop loss like that, Brev? Shut up. Price up 4,553. 3 point. Where's that? 0.1. We'll do that. 0.1 like that. Let's see if it comes back down to tag us in. might be gone though. We'll have to see. I don't like being social. Adam, this guy. Garin! J printing again at Asia. Well, we haven't, fingers crossed, we haven't done it yet, Garin, but we'll have a look. Of course we'll have a look. I'm not a big fan of this, really. Should have probably entered on that breakout, really, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Jay, what is your win rate for Asia? Garen, my win rate last month in Asia session was 96%. And I actually showed you that on my funded account and on my live account. So, yeah. I think I lost one trade that. Guess you become antisocial when you're 40. Yeah, Garen, one loss. I think I had one loss, and I think the reason I took a loss as well is because what's it called? It wicked me out. Like it came down, wicked me out, and then went. Oi, Tigger, he is 40. He is 40. I'm telling you. This guy. Who started these old rumors? Adam, it was Brandon. Needs to see your passport for proof. This guy. How close is it to my cell actually? Because, ooh, I want that cell, bruv. This cell is nice. Probably gonna set a limit here. Where is it? 4, 5. Let me zoom out quick. Because I really like this this cell zone. I don't really like that cell zone. It's a bit mid, but the cell zone up here is really nice. What is this? 4. Ooh, it's just wide ass stop though. It actually wasn't me, Brandon. It was you. I don't believe it. I went onto Discord and everyone's saying you're 40. Something you would do. Adam passport says he's a 36-year-old Cuban called Carlos. That's what he tells his missus. Oh, here we come. Go on, tag us back in. Go on. Go on then. I don't know though. We could be forming a bear flag now to my level. Wait. Oh, we could be cooking. Let me horizontal line this quickly. Where's my level? 4, 7, somewhere around there. Let me just write this so I can remember. 0.886. Right. Because what we could do, we could come down here. Oh, this could be cinema. Make this bear flag all the way up. Oh, this is going to be cinema. Hang on a minute. Holy idea. I don't like the blue. I want to change this. Blue is awful colour. Ugh, disgusting. There you go. Red, nice. Better. Oh, this could be it. Or I could just be hoping for nothing really. But Garen, that ain't backing me up as it is. Sorry. You see, Garen, can you do your spinning kick on Brandon? Yeah, real. Garen, do it. He's 30, so get it right before trying to insult him. Has Brandon's level been tagged? Adam, I think his level was... Where was his level? I don't know. Garen, where was his level? Garen, you know. Come on, Gaz. Can I move this? I'll move this to like here now. And then... Bro, get out of my way. Oh my days. What is it with this box on my screen, G? Prefer that, actually. Why is this up here then? Up she pops. Would this be a holy idea? Jace so getting tapped in here. 4-5-6-2, but I'm not taking it. 4-5-6-2. Where is it? Have you just been tapped? No, you haven't. That's so mid. Brandon, that's an L entry. You know what? Should we go like well tight? Should we go like well tight start? Like here. Should we just get active? How many lots can I do? 4. 6 under. Wait. Oh, that's a 5k TP. Whoops. Let's scroll her down a bit, boys. Bit more. Cheers. Bit more. No. Oh, you know, I'll just write in. Let's just do my edit now. Why does it take so long, man? We'll do a risk like this. It's actually not a bad. Like, this actually isn't that bad. Bear flag to the upside. Tagging at Brandon's limit. Watch out for spreads. You chat to you funded. Yeah, I did. So they've currently 6-7. Wait, where's 6-7? It's not on here. Wait, what? Adam, you baited me. 7-6. Wait, what? What's happening? Oh, this guy. Watch out for spreads. Yeah, I know. I'm not the biggest fan. I could do like my stop down here, but I just don't want to lose that much money. You know what? You said watch out for spreads. I love you. Let's make out. Now we're gonna go here, but let's first look at VMC and stuff, because I don't want to get in something if it doesn't look nice. Like, look at this 5 minute, not great. But the 3, that's not great either. It's kind of looking selly a bit. Ooh, actually, hang on. Got a bit of momentum on the 3 minute here. 1 sec. Ooh. Hey, this is looking selly though. For up here, I reckon. Up here, this sell zone, 4-5-7-3. That's the one. We're about to see cinema. Did you chat to? Oh yeah, I forgot to answer that. Yeah, so I did chat to you funded. I think, fingers crossed, they're getting it fixed soon, because my sell is 6-7 to. My sell is 6-7 to 7-6. Isn't that going up though? Or what are we doing here? But anyway, yeah, I did chat to you funded. They said that he doesn't. Well, the guy who I spoke to said he'd bring it up with the team, so I'm waiting to hear back on that. By the way. So yeah, I'll just be careful on that kind of. Not careful, but you know, love that. Hopefully they fix it. Yeah, I'm hoping they do actually, but we'll have to see, won't we? I don't know whether to take this yet or not, because we could see. Another thing in my mind is we could see head and shoulders here, shoulder, head, shoulder, like that. But we'll have to see. Probably. Should I just let the chat decide? Chat, are we taking this or not? First person to say yes or no, I'll follow that. I'm just waiting. My mind frazzled. No wait for sell, Fez. Where's the sell zone? I'll wait for sell then. Let's I'm gonna put this on my chart anyway, just to see if it works, and if it does, whoever said don't do it, I will not be best pleased or happy. Spreads are bad, are they? Not that bad. They're like a smidgen. 4673. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, looks nice. We'll just have to wait and see. The thing is though, this buy is nice though. Like maybe take that low. Take that low buy there. Like I don't think we have enough to go to the downside yet. Off that, we just don't. GFT update. What do you mean about my payout? Oh, the risk team have got back to me. I just haven't looked, to be honest, Adam, because risk it for a biscuit then. Like, all right. Let's hope we get tagged in now. But yeah, Adam, I spoke to the risk team. They haven't really said much, to be fair. Yeah, I just can't be asked to. I think this is the thing with the risk team, though. They're just, I don't know, man. They're just weird. Just weird, man. Should probably have my stop a bit shorter than that, like here. Let's move you up. Just like that. There you go. Whoever said take it, I'm doing it. So this might be the day trend lines work, by the way. Or it might be the day you see Jay lose a trade. Come on, tap the boy in. Bro just wants to see cinema. Bro wants to see something. You gotta do something on a live, don't you? How much is that again? $800. Yeah, we're chilling, bro. That's calm. Put this down. Oh, just get off. Jay's working here. Come on, just tap us in. Tap us in for the boys. Thing is though, yeah, like we're coming to the down. We've came to the downtime. We're actually rejecting, so that's telling me we need to go up higher. Let me get rid of this. Like this, just definitely deleting this. I'm getting rid of that 886. I don't think that's it. I think what we do. I want us to tap this. So this is where I'm really looking at somewhere. That's like a nice zone here. If we don't get tapped in here and we go, I'll just wait for this sell zone. Because this is nice. This is lovely. It's just we got massive stop. Are you posting levels in Telegram? Yeah, I will after the live. Sayan. Bouncing off the previous highs. Yeah, I know, but is what it is, Adam, innit? We'll have to see what happens here. If we get tagged, I'll just be excited because I don't know if we're gonna like tag and go or what happens. Really, I want to see cinema. Before I go to bed, come on, Adam, you're not playing Siege after. Come on, man. Oh, the idea was right. The game's gone. What's the stop loss on the sell zone? Nadia, the stop loss will be 4,589, but I can get that more accurate. Give me a sec. Stops would be that pretty much 4,589 on the dot. Is that stop loss? Because if we take here, and then we tap the 886. I like that. I think that's so nice. Oh my god, we went straight to TP. If this is TP, I just let's wait. Sweep of Friday high, exactly, Adam. Like sweep of the highs, get as enough volume as possible, and then hit the 86. Level just tapped. What, 4562? What was it, Brandon? 4562 point what? 4? Where would your stop loss have been? That would have been TP as well. Game's gone. I should have took it. Whoever told me to take it, you were so right. Hopefully we hold up on this trend line. If not, I'm going to prepare this sell actually. Brandon, you looking at this sell as well? The stop is mad though. Stop is like absolute madness. So bullish though. Yeah, but doesn't mean it won't go bullish into our 86 and then reject, will it? Come on now, bro. I thought you were better than that. Cool. Let's do one. Sound. Happy with that. Just wait for this to tap now, I reckon. So bullish, I haven't done any. Oh, yeah, Brandon, got you. Makes sense. I got you, bro. Yeah, Brandon, I think my sell's nice, bro. Like, proper decent. I really like this. Take this high and then go. That'd be nice. 4573.7. 4573.7. 4589. Do that 100. And no stop. Cool. I don't like how wide it is, but if it's the top and we just dump, oh, that would be nice. But we'll have to see. We could always move stop once we get tagged. Oh wait, this is gonna be my first trade on the Evercrest, Adam. To be fair though, that bear flag trend line actually is weighing up now. Look at that. Oh, not really actually. I thought it was. Kind of mid. What? I'm not even gonna read that. What is this guy on about? This guy. I'm not even gonna answer that. Not even gonna take notice. Whoever's on that account, you've got to go, blood. I'll be so real with you. You've got to go. I swear that if this guy puts one more thing. Oh. Now you're like, okay. That level is cooking. Line up perfectly with VFP and POG. Brandon, set it. Oi, Brandon, because I'm on live, signal it. And then put like mine and you together because I'm on live. I don't want to touch my phone or anything. But yeah, bro, it looks like a nice level. I'm gonna, what's it called? Chris and my Evercrest with this level. First Evercrest trade. Oh, look at that. First Evercrest trade. Madness. Let's quickly have a look at this. What was it? 4573. 73 point. Wait, where's this limit? it was 73.7, so we can actually change that so it's nicer. There you go. And whoa, chill out there, pal. I'll have you like this. Up the consistency rule. Get you down here like that. So 4573.7. Stop loss is 4589, wasn't it? Yeah, 4589. And then TP will be 2R of that. So let's find 2R, which is about there. Oh, what guess? Almost. Right there, so 4542.5. 5, and then I need to work out me lots for this then. How much is that? 1.8 is to 1.3. Oh, it is 1.3. Oh, fairs. 1.3 is 2k risk. Cool. Easy work. Cool. Let's have a look at my chart quick. Happy with that. Cool. Let's go on here. Wait, bro is up 20k already. You sending to Telly, Jay? Brandon, are you doing it or me? What are you targeting? Let me get all this off my screen actually. Actually, no, I'll leave that on. Let me tell you right now. So I will be targeting, get this off my screen because clearly these trend lines are poo. And that ball flag worked, which is a bit annoying, but is what it is. Brandon, I'm not gonna lie, if we wick this 886, yeah, and that's it, I'll be targeting 4466.97, so 4467. That'll be like final TP, but then if we take, pretty much, if we just go horizontal line, we could do like TP1. Well, that could be like TP2. We could do like TP1, like, I don't know, here, something. You cook it up, bro. But TP, whatever TP you want, but one TP has to be 4488. Or if TP's along the way. Yeah. 4488 is a nice TP though, because that's the low of Thursday. So Friday's low is literally 4490, but bin that off. Do 4488 as in Thursday's low is one TP. But we'll have TPs along the way. I like that. Let's just wait for this to go. This is actually really nice, this bear flag. Let's have a look at V Manchu as it approaches as well. Because we could see something nice on there as well. Oh, yeah, this is nice. Time to full port this. Adam, chill out, bro. Come on, man. Let's see what we're getting here on the. We don't need the 15-minute. You can shush. Zoom in on you. 5-minute. So, what are we getting on here? Oh, we literally just missed a VWAP. Or can I count that? I might count that, chat. I'm not gonna lie. What's 3? Ooh. It is though. It is diverging though. It just is. Like, look, that is a divergence. No matter how big or small it is, that is a divergence. So, just saying. Oh, it's Ben. I'm doing 50k real on this guy. Jason, chill out, man. This trade's passing me my 10k funded. Let's go. Robski, if it works out, yeah. My brother. Have you seen the RR on this trade if you target exactly 6-7? What is it, Brandon? Tell us right in the chat, because I don't know. I don't know what R would be, though. It'd be decent, though, no? 6.77. $4495 good for sales. What do you think? Let me have a look. 4495. Wait, what? Do you mean 4595? Is that what we're talking about? I want definitely not 4495. We've gone past that. Gone past that like a roller coaster. We'll have a look. 4595. Yeah, I was gonna say you confused me then. Maybe you've pulled it from here. 44. Let's do it off this low. I like 44601, but that takes all the highs, and that's not in the range. Like, I don't really like that at all. I think if we take the best thing about my stop loss here, and Brandon's if his is the same thing. If we take this high, I see this sell zone. That's the only good thing, and it lines up with the trend. So that is the perfect thing about this sell. So yeah, I wouldn't be looking at getting in. So for example, in here for me would be a load of just like ignore until we tap the zone, because what in there's not much. Like what all this is just empty space, really, to me, because we have a range here, right? And if we disrespect that range and break out, we could see a little retracement and then another boom to the upside because of how bullish we opened. So yeah, I wouldn't really be looking for 4595, but it could work. So you know, if it fits your analysis, fits your setup, take it, bro. Like, I'm never gonna doubt anyone. I'm just gonna say what I think, and that is what I think. Brandon, where the signal at? Yeah, for real. Is this Connect 4? I was about to draw a Connect 4 then, but I'm not gonna play into you, Ben. Yeah, Rich, that's what I'd think. But honestly, if you've got something that lines up there and looks nice, take it, bro. Like, what's the worst that can happen? You learn a good lesson, like, or it's more data for you to test, you know? So, right. Adam, get on to Brandon. Yeah, where is Brandon's signal? I might just signal it, you know? This guy's taking way too long. Incoming, yep. She's off to the races now. I'm waiting to see cinema. Lovely. GZ Beeps, man. It's in, by the way. Ah, sound, Brandon. Let's look at Fu Manchu. So 5 minute. We are curving into green, which is pretty good, actually. Let's zoom in like this. Zoom you out. Cool. Right. So we got like, it's kind of flat that, but we did have, so on the 1 minute, we did have some momentum to the downside here. So that's nice. VWAP divergence forming. Nice on the 1 minute. Let me. So we got like a kind of. We had VWAP divergent here as well. So like this little like bit down to here. Nice little divergence there. We're turning green on everything as well, which is nice. But yeah. It's not the nicest setup I've ever seen, but I mean, can we count that? It literally, it's weird. But I do like this A86 setup. It's really nice. If we're gonna stay in the range, this is the place to stay. He sent it. Our sound. Happy with that, Brandon? Brandon, you put TP3 as 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see what happens when we get tapped. It'll be nice. Like the V-Manchi looks okay. This momentum to the downside is alright. Like I quite like this. We had a view out divergence here. Right. We had a view out divergence here. View out divergence forming here. With green, hopefully comes to the downside like that. This diverging here. And then this 3 minute, we're coming into the green. As you can see, we had a view of divergence there as well, so looks nice. We'll have to see. Got like a little divergence here from this top to here, like this. Coming into the green now, so the approach has been nice, so we'll just have to see what happens. Just hope we get tapped. Oh, Brandon's made a typo. TP3, 4, 5, 6. Should that be? Brandon, you've had a stinker, Shan. You've had a stinker. Let's see cinema. Yeah, I'll wait for us to get. If we get tapped, I'll wait on the live for us to get tapped, and then we'll see what happens. Brandon White, you working? Brandon, you're never working, man. Honestly, this guy, never working at all. So lazy, any Adam. Oi, Ben, you still here? Because if you are, that's all I gotta say. The stop loss makes my eyes bleed. Well, Lewis, to be fair, right, if you genuinely think about this stop loss, right, if you go on the 5 minute, it's actually not that big. Like, it is just the only place you can really put your stop loss, to be fair, which is above this high. Whoa, what is... That's weird. Weird. What the... Ugh. What is that? My previous trades have just got like 70 different arrows. Weird. But yeah, apart from that stop, you ain't really got anywhere else to put it, to be honest. So, might make your eyes bleed, but it's how the job works. It's just what we do. Let's go on here. The only problem is we could tap something like, could see something like this. Possibly. And then like that. See something like that. But I'll put this in the I'll put these levels in the Telegram group. I quite like these levels, they're nice. J-Fluent. We'll have to see. We are coming for it, to be fair. Whoa. Whoa. What was that? Don't know what that was, but very close now. I'll wait for us to tap and then yeah. You alright, lol? I'm doing good, man. How are you? Just chilling. Waiting for this sell opportunity here. Waiting for us to tap, that's all. And then we'll see what happens. Hopefully we tap off this candle and then just reject all the way down. Where's 1R? Oh, it's here. Sound. 1A in volume, yeah. Is what it is. Oh my god, it's midnight. Oh, we've tapped. See what happens. Nice rejection, actually. I've set my TP at 1R. Nice. We'll have to see what happens with this. But yeah, now that we're tapped, I mean, look, I think that's us done, really, isn't it? But yeah, if you guys got any last questions, let me know, and if not, I'll see you lot in a bit. All right. So I'll wait a bit for any questions, but if not, yeah, man. We'll have to hold this actually as well. Dun, 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 dun. I quite like that as TP1. Brandon, is your TP1 4548? Because if it is, banger. But yeah, see you lot in a bit. All right. When will you set BE? Jack, I always set BE at 1R. So around if we tap around 4558, 4559, Jack, I'll set BE there. But yeah, man. Bloody star trader. Cheers, Jay. Thanks for the trade. Let's see what it brings. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, man. Let me know. Yeah. So I'll see you lot in a bit. All right. Cheers, Chris. Cheers, Jack. See you later, Stuart. See you later, Lewis. See you later, Chris. See you later, Lowell. Let's see who else is in there. See you later, Adam. Other Chris, Tremaine, Sean, Brandon, Isaiah, Elwin, Rich. See you guys later.